Here we are again in front of our castle, and today we will survey this terrain and determine the average level of the terrain with Apglos Survey Wizard and an Android phone. But besides the Android phone and Apglos Survey Wizard, what else do we need, Ray?
Oh! The P1.
The P1.
The P1.
That's a very interesting small GNSS receiver.
Oh yes, it is.
That you can buy in our apglosshop.com.
As you can see, it is as large as my iPhone. That's it.
Further, we need, of course, a GPS rod, so we can mount the GNSS receiver on top of it.
Yeah.
The P1 comes with an adapter, and with the adapter you can add it to the GPS rod. Further, we need a mount for the phone.
It's already there. I already mounted it. So.
And of course we need a phone.
Let's mount the phone, Hanno, and shall I
you can turn
press
it on.
Yeah? Wait, I cannot see it. No, I need, otherwise I cannot see it. Yeah, it's on. It's on. It's on.
We started Apglos Survey Wizard, and the first thing what of course we need to check is the settings. So we go to the file menu, click on other settings. The coordinate reference system is correct because we are in the Netherlands, but the antenna height is not correct, so we have to change it. We click on it and then we have to change it to the antenna height, which is the GPS rod height, the adapter and the antenna height, and that in this case for the P1 is 2.116. So now everything is set up correct. We click OK. The next thing what we need to do is to create layers.
Yeah. Because everything you land survey, you should give a name. And by doing that is pressing the layer manager, add a layer, as Hanno is typing now, and we are going to, what I told you before, and in the beginning, we are going to land survey a plot of terrain or a terrain.
So we make two layers. One is called terrain and the other one is called height, and we make those blue and we click OK. So now we select the layer terrain and we will start to survey.
Before we go starting surveying, we need to connect the GNSS receiver with the phone.
That's correct. So we go to the connect menu and click connect. Then we have to find the GNSS receiver, the P1, and that's that one. Of course you can fill in your N-trip data, but since we are in the Netherlands we select server and then we click connect. So we have a connection now. We need to wait till there is a fix.
Maybe I can also add a little feature. There's a pull down menu, and once I press that, it's a little bit easier to zoom in. You can either use your fingers to zoom in on the location where you're at, or you can use the plus or minus. And in this case, because it's Hanno's phone, I'll use the plus. And as you can see, I'm zooming in at Castle the Sun.
And we have an RTK fix now. So now we can start to survey.
Yeah.
I can use my fingers.
And I will follow Hanno in this case.
Let's do this.
Yes.
Let's start with the first point of this terrain. That's this one. And we keep it straight and click on point. Then we go to the next point of this terrain.
Don't fall in the water.
I'm not going to fall in the water. That's this one. And here we click polyline. Come on, let's do this.
Let's do this. Follow the leader.
Let's get this point as well. Keep it straight. Polyline again. I will zoom out so that you can see more of what we are surveying. And here we have another point. We go and continue, and we never give up. A nice new point of this terrain, and we're almost in the corner. So here we take some more points because there is a curve. There was a hole there. I went down like half a meter.
And always keep it as straight as possible.
I'm doing my best.
Otherwise I have to keep the camera like this. And I think you're doing an excellent job, Hanno.
Thank you very much. And we are going back in the straight. And that means, like Max Verstappen, we can move forward. That goes much quicker.
Run, Forrest, run!
I'm not Forrest, come on!
Run, Forrest, run!
The P1 works very well. I'm very happy with it. It's very light, it's less than 150 grams. Which makes it easy to work with. And we're going to the last point of this terrain. And that's this one. And now we will use polygon. So as you can see, we have this area. But of course you can see there is a little bit of a difference in the height, so we still need to measure the height inside this area. So we select the layer height, and then we start to survey some points inside the area. We do like this, select the point. More points.
Oh.
The camera guy is walking in the way. More point. I'm like zigzagging, it's like I'm drunk.
Yeah, I can feel it. I also have to watch, there are multiple holes. I think...
there are holes.
Yeah, holes in the ground here.
That's the one here. It looks like a nice drawing with nice colors. I like it. More points here. And here. We're almost there. Let's make some jokes with the camera guy. And we're going now for the last point, and that's this one. We click point, and now we are done. So what we want to determine now is what is the average level of this terrain in front of our castle. So what we do is we go to the calculate menu, click on average height, select the terrain area, and click the calculate button. And that means that this average height, the average level of this terrain, is 85 centimeters above sea level.
Yay!
You see how easy it is to land survey and determine the average level of this terrain with Apglos Survey Wizard. If you want to know more about Apglos Survey Wizard, this P1 GNSS receiver, GPS surveying, then check out this video.